thank you for being here. It means a lot to me. It means a lot, especially because most, if not all of my videos, I have a mental breakdown while editing them. But anyway. You know, when the batik matches the shirt, doing something right. But I have to go down like this because I can't stay on my tiptoes the whole time. So 9 a.m. This is the earliest I've been awake in like 2 weeks because I've been pulling all-nighters and being stupid. But back away from the ride school. What do you want? Don't flick your tail at me. Gaffy. Yeah. Set up. Yeah. Yeah. She's hiking right now. You know, I was so busy talking to her on FaceTime that I didn't like do my hair, but are y'all surprised? Nobody's actually surprised right now. So hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Abby. If you are new here, thank you for being here. If you are old here, thank you for being here even more, irregardless, because y'all have been through a couple of my vlogs. You know the frenetic energy, you know what goes on here, and it's a little bit much sometimes, and it's a little bit of a mess sometimes, but you're here. My hours were cut at the airline because Ladonna, because she doesn't even deserve her full title. I'm sorry. So my hours were cut at my other job, airline job. Nobody's traveling, like there's literally just no work, like the airport is so quiet and empty, and within 2 weeks I was able to get a new job and a new interview. So but I have to get a uniform because they don't provide the uniform again. Can we say deja vu? Can we say that reminds me of something? Can we say, didn't you make this exact video 6 months ago? I did. Who knew that I would be back here exactly at the same Fred Meyer, about to go pick out an outfit for a new job, and it's black pants, like exactly the same. It's so weird. Basically, I'm starting a new job and they don't offer a uniform, so I have to go get my own, and it's just so much deja vu right now. I'm tripping out, but also life is good. I'm thankful I'm able to start a new job because a lot of places are not hiring right now. Thank you, Ladonna, for kicking us all out of our comfort zone. It feels great because I have to go shopping again in 6 months, and I didn't want to go again for at least another year. So, earlier, it felt really good to FaceTime Ray. She is in Texas right now. I was FaceTiming her, and I was just thinking one awesome thing about Donna and being in the big Q.
YouTube is like being weird, the algorithm, so I can't I'm not gonna say the
word, but like the big Q, you know what I'm saying? The big Q. That has been, it's been teaching me how to keep up with my friends better and how to be better about responding to text and how to actually FaceTime. And I look forward to FaceTime so much now. Instead of being like, yo, like I can't FaceTime because I gotta listen to classical music and cry. I need to go walk around the neighborhood and listen to the Bocelli and cry on my longboard. Instead of other plans, you know, I'm so looking forward to FaceTiming with my friends, and I love it. And like, y'all better watch out. Like when I can hug you, like y'all better run. Like I'm about to like break necks, yo. Like I'm like gonna jump on you and hug you so hard. There has been awesome things about the big Q. I'm a more patient person too, because I mean, obviously, hello, we're all waiting. We don't even know when this is gonna end. But yeah, right now, what I'm doing is I'm going shopping for a uniform for a new job, even though I just started a new job 6 months ago. It's a weird time. It's a weird life. Y'all are coming with me. I'm sorry. Promise I'm normal. Take that back. I am at Fred Meyer. Please, Lord God, help me not meet anyone I know. Not because like, oh, I'm like antisocial. I just like, when I go do errands, I'm here to do errands. I don't want to talk to you because I have a mission and I have plans for later tonight. Like
I'm sounding like such a douchebag right now, but
so it's weird because like you see people you know and you're like, hey, like what's up, and you can't hug them, you can't walk up to them. It's weird, and it's like I don't like, maybe I just don't know how to interact with people if I can't like touch them. That sounds a little bit weird. Can we talk? I feel sort of bad, but like, This makes me so hot wearing the thing, like,
Bruh.
I mean, it's thicker than if I was just wearing an actual mask. Like, it's like a double layer of cotton, but bruh, I wore it for 30 seconds and I'm hot. Almost everybody is wearing a mask here. Last time I went shopping, about 2 weeks ago, nobody was really wearing one. And I feel like people weren't as serious about it, so... A lot of people are wearing a mask now, and it's weird, you feel me, because 3 weeks ago nobody was really wearing a mask. To wear it, but like I can't breathe with it on, and I don't know if that's me being claustrophobic. I do get claustrophobic about things like that. Also, what happens is, because of my previous retail experience, whenever I see something like this on the ground, I try not to pick it up, but I physically, like, I have to pick it up and hang it back up. Also, Vans was on sale. Like, everything was seriously on a really big fat sale, I think because Corona, but I convinced myself I don't need it.
I know.
Pretty sure it was Relaxed Carpenter, yeah. Yes. Wait, if you were wondering, it is the Relaxed Carpenter Fit, the pants. I really like them, if you're curious. Oh, in case you were wondering, yes, that is a pen mark, but the fitting rooms are closed, so I'm just gonna be trying on the dress because it's a wrap dress. Where's the freaking... Trying on this wrap dress? I know I'm supposed to be shopping for work clothes, but shut up. So, I got distracted. These things are really confusing because they're supposed to like wrap around and I never know how to put them on. Oh, this is cute. Where is the hole that this goes in? Oh, it's on this side. A stinking PhD just to wear these wrap dresses, I swear. Wraps. It goes in a hole over there. Even with my pants on underneath and like my fat clothing, but like bro, like this is... Hold up. Then it opens kind of like that. Now, it's kind of embarrassing, right? But I've been going to this Fred Meyer pretty much my whole entire life, and I don't know where anything is. I was looking for granola and poke. Didn't get the pants because apparently you're not allowed to return clothes until all of this is over. So he's like, yeah, just like keep the receipt and you can return it around September, October. And I'm like, nah, fam, like I need these pants now. If they don't fit, I want to be able to come back and get the pair that fits me, you know? I have not been shopping in a while. I don't actually know my measurements. So I was looking at this pair of pants and it's also the length. You feel me? It's the waist and the length. And so I didn't get the pants, and I'm like, you know, we have time to redeem ourselves, even though you were about to buy the Vans shirt and the dress too. I didn't get anything. I didn't get any of those. I didn't get the dress, the Vans shirt, or the pants. I got my mom's granola. She loves this granola. And Lay's, hey baby. And so basically, I also went to go look for poke. And they didn't have poke either. And I like try not to cry, but out like low key. Look at these fools. Look at that.
Dude. Your car smells so filthy.
Thanks. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, Liz. I offered you coffee this morning. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. You know, forget. Go put shoes on. Go put shoes on. Hey, get out of the street. I went to go get poke, and I'm like, you know what? Like, this day can be redeemed. Like, let's not worry about it. So I was going to get some poke, and I talked to the dude behind the counter at the meat service station, and I asked him, like, yo, like, what is up? And he said, oh, poke is one of the things we can't serve because of Corona. Like, we're not being stocked with that. And he said, my boss said some will be coming in Saturday, though, for, like, a day. And I'm like, wait, what? Like, that makes no sense. So you can only have it one day of the week. I mean, I'm sure it makes sense. I just didn't ask details. You feel me? But get my pants. I didn't get poke. I didn't get anything, I feel like a failure. It's hard. You gotta keep the morale up, chaps, but right now I'm really feeling like I made whipped coffee, I FaceTimed my best friend, I woke up early, I read my Bible, I did stuff today, but the stuff I had to do didn't get done, like the pants. So, I think I'm gonna try to go get my oil changed if the place hasn't closed by now, because I look tough and I look bad right now, and I have to practice this. When you go to get your oil changed, you gotta look bad, because if you don't, they pressure you into buying stuff. Like last time I was dressed up all cute and girly, and I just feel like they gave me such a hard time, and I'm like, I'm not here for it. Like, I want a conventional oil change. Like, why would you even ask if I want synthetic? Like, this is a Honda Civic from like 1992. Hello. My stomach hurts, but I don't really know why. This is the
I kinda eat it.
the sandwich. It's chicken, sriracha, hummus, lettuce, and gluten-free bread. It's quite simple. Salad with literally tomatoes, and that's it. Because
You know the thing where we like film people? Look, the meat, then the bread, and then there's this little fuzzy
I love
thing. Look,
she is here, my boyos and lads. It is the other day. It's not important. I don't know what day it is anymore. And my last package for the computer came, and my brother and I are setting it up right now. Well, mainly my brother, because I like I don't know how to do it, so he's showing me.
Bring your book.
CPU. It's the motherboard.
I don't really know what any of that is.
But he's basically putting it together, and I'm watching him, and also just.
Yeah.
It's so shiny. I don't want to shock myself. Can I touch it?
You said it's straightforward if I look at the directions, but I normally don't. So that is a good reason you are here, to guide me on my journey.
Yes, I had a feeling.
That I would struggle, I know.
Stuff is on the table.
Okay.
holding my.
Take that stuff out of the old case. New computer.
Abby, you're filming the least fun part.
I think it's cool. If they don't think it's cool, then that's too bad. Oh,
Where's the screwdriver?
looks like a dead fish.
The graphics card wouldn't fit, so we are now sawing a hole. We were gonna do it with the hand saw, but then we decided to keep our limbs. Oh, wait, let me go get earplugs.
Three hours later.
Intermission, half break. I don't know. I can't narrate. Food, making a salad. I don't remember everything I put in it, but it looks good. That was really good. Wow. Looks like origami. That is beautiful.
Tati, vrei să vin la vlogul meu? Can I put you in my vlog?
Oh. You want to be in my vlog?
Not really.
Janine, do you want to be in my vlog?
Show
my island in my game. Do you want to be in the vlog? You and not your Club Penguin island? Do you want to be in the vlog in the video I'm making?
He opened the door!
No.
Yeah. Want to be in my vlog?
You answered before the question was even out of my mouth. Wow, this lighting is gorgeous. Annie.
Annie. You want like a ghost? Annie, you want to be in my vlog?
What do you want me to do?
Do you just want to be in my vlog?
Sure.
To say hi? Yes! Finally!
Hello.
So I went around to everybody and everybody said no, but now we know you're my favorite sibling, not Janine.
Like that. I gotta just show the despair. Yo, look, so our weather lately has been like sunny, but then it has really dark clouds like that too. First off, you fight the jacket, you fight me, because I stand up for the ones I love. And I do love this jacket. This cup is giving me, it is giving me CEO at the age of 18. It is giving me I was successful with Bitcoin. Okay, we're about to stop. So I'm gonna answer some questions because Becca and Chris asked me some questions for my Q&A video, but I didn't get to them in time because I filmed the video and it was too late. So I'm gonna answer them now, just scattered throughout this vlog. But the first one is, when did you come to the faith? Honestly, I don't remember exactly. I want to say I was 14 or 15, and it was kind of a moment where I realized that, like, okay, everything that people had told me about Jesus or about being a Christian, or these amazing experiences they had where they're like, oh, it was so much love and I felt so peaceful and joyful, all this stuff, I was like, that sounds crazy. I don't believe you. And also, I realized that everything I had heard about Jesus, about God, about the Holy Spirit working in people's lives, I was kind of like, okay, sure, like, sure, whatever you say, you know? But then I thought, I know what they say about it and about knowing Jesus, but I don't actually know him. So, who is this dude? Like, what is going on? Like, what is going on behind here? Because I'm pretty curious, I'm pretty nosy, I like to get to the bottom and the truth of things, and I like to, like, I'm pretty agnostic, like, I want to know. I don't want to just second guess. Oh, and that was kind of the beginning of the journey, because it's a journey, y'all. It is a spiritual journey, and that it's never ending, like, and that's kind of like this wave pattern, right? You feel me? I was pretty different as a teen. Like, the person I am today, I would say is, like, I don't even recognize my 14-year-old self. Me and my best friend talk about this all the time, right? But, like, I really, like, I don't know who I was. Before I knew Jesus, before I believed, I was so different. I was really different. Like, what I liked, what I talked like, how I dressed, who I was like, everything was different. Everything was different. So I kind of just answered both the questions. So is that another fat bee? Mind your business. Has Corona changed your thoughts on having an aviation career path? No. I mean, I've thought about it, right? Like, I've definitely considered, and I thought of putting my training on hold or pause even for a minute. But then, hold up. So, about to get serious. I'm gonna scooch closer. Don't do anything out of fear. I know in this time, I know in this moment, and I mean, I was about to make decisions too, but that is rooted, that's based in fear, and that is trash. I don't want that in my life. And you're gonna look back and think, oh, well, this is a decision I made when I was totally scared out of my mind, because the whole world was, because a virus was controlling our lives. And I understand it, but I'm just being serious for a moment, for a second. And I am saying, don't make a decision, especially about your future or something you love. Don't make a decision in fear about something you love or that you're passionate about, or really, I would say don't make big decisions during this time at all. Like, this time is messing with everybody's mind. Social isolation and distancing is messing with y'all's mind and with my mind. Like, I'm not in my right mind. It's a weird time. It's a weird time to be alive right now. Thank you for punctuating that sentence. Putting my IFR training, my instrument rating, my next pilot license, I did think about putting it on hold, but then I'm like, Abby, look at me now, boy. You were making that decision based out of fear, and that is trash, and that is not allowed here, so get that out of here. We're not doing that. Then you really do have to talk to yourself like that sometimes. And really, it do be like that. I'm doing it again. I'm like reverting back into being jokey, but that was a good serious 30 seconds, and like, I mean that. I do mean that. Any acting classes, or what is your background with acting? I took one class, which was acting and directing combined in college. I took that about a year ago, and then I've been a extra on set. I mean, y'all saw the video, that'll be linked down below. I did do that a handful of times, literally like 3 to 5 times. I was a PA, a production assistant, twice. One on a commercial and one time on, how do I not remember? I mean, I have it like in my portfolio and stuff, but anyway, I don't have much experience, y'all. Like,
I hate false modesty. It's just another way to lie.
I know I like it, but I really, like, I'm not degreed up. Like, I have one college class under my belt on it. And any directors that I could introduce you to, that sounds dope, the idea you want to do. I might have to get back on you on that. What time and season you wanted to shoot, and obviously with COVID, like, basically all filmmaking is just off the books. It's just nobody is filming. Yes, maybe. We'll see. Okay, y'all, that is all for now. I just got suddenly really tired, but I can't because I gotta go work out. I want to go longboard or run, lift weights. We'll figure it out. But also, I will answer the rest of the questions later. There's still more to the vlog, but I'm ending it for today because some logistical stuff, some big girl stuff, so boring stuff. I'm not gonna vlog it. It was a good day. We got an oil change. At least we did that. At least we did that. I'm trying not to be sad about the fact that that van shirt would have looked hella dope, hella sick with the The yellow here. The skeleton one, you know? Nah, I already decided. Peaches does not deserve a camo because he bit me this morning. Little freak. I love tripod invention. I really do. I think I have found my calling. Clearly it's not doing hair though, because I was being so nice to him too. I was like baby talking him, and then he looked me dead in the eyes, and then he bit my elbow, and then I'm like, okay, and I was like backing off, and then he like looked at me again, and he jumped up and bit my knee, and like this man dead asked me, he's like, do you want synthetic or conventional oil? And my elbow.
Oh,
This morning, bro.
You didn't feed him. Was he waiting for food and you
Freaking
didn't
no.
feed him?
I was petting him. I was being so nice to him. I'm thankful that you believe in my car that much, but like this is like, do I look like a Dodge Charger to you, Lamborghini to you, or GTI, or like do I look like a nice car? I'm a Honda Civic, like 1994. Like Did you name
took
this?
it off.
National Treasure?
It's yours.
Oh, this one's mine?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Bro, you good? Liz, get out of the street. Liz.
I'm getting out of the street.
Yeah, into the rest of the street. I will film you one day, and the world will see your cute face. Around that way. We got it. Whoa, dude. Okay, this is cute. I think I'm gonna buy this. Well, come in here. This is cute. I look like such a lady. Okay, last one. She loves me, y'all, so she has to say yes. Mom, you wanna be in my vlog? Mom, you sure you don't wanna be in my vlog? You told me to go away. It's so mean. Wait, I bought you granola.
What are you doing?
I bought you granola.